What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex Costa. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below and become part of our YouTube family. Today, you're gonna learn how to go from dull, dry, and boring to smooth, soft, and healthy hair in 7 easy tips. Watch this video and learn the 7 tricks to take your hairstyle to the next level. And just a quick reminder that the Forte series hair care collection is now live. We have 4 new Forte products and you can pre-order them now. The link will be listed in the description below. And we are this close to hitting 1 million followers on Instagram. And when we get there, I'm doing the biggest giveaway that I've ever done with 10 winners. Make sure to follow me to enter. Now, tip number 1 is don't sleep with wet hair, because we end up moving a lot and rubbing our heads against the pillow at night, and that will cause breakage. What a lot of people do is they take a shower at night and then they jump into bed with wet hair, and that will absolutely cause you to lose a lot of hair while you're sleeping. That leads to thin, damaged hair, which is exactly the opposite of what we want. And if you want to minimize that damage, I would suggest getting a silk pillowcase. It's a lot softer and it's not going to pull as much when you're moving from side to side, trying to find the best position available to sleep. After you get out of the shower, don't be aggressive with the towel, just pat dry like this, or you're gonna end up losing a lot of hair, because hair, like I said, is extremely fragile and prone to damage when it's wet. For that same reason, don't brush your hair when it's wet, because that will tug and pull and it would be bad. So towel dry first by patting your head, and then just use a wide tooth comb if you have to. The wide tooth comb won't be as aggressive and won't tug your fragile hair. That's a really good tip for you guys who want to keep your hair looking healthy. Tip number 3, you have to use the right products. There's no chance that you can have incredible, smooth, healthy hair if you're applying bad products to it every day. Something that I've added to my routine and cannot do without is argan oil. It makes my hair smell amazing. It makes it soft, shiny, smooth, and even when I travel, I bring it with me because it's a game changer and most guys don't even know about it. And guys, I am so proud, so happy, so excited to announce that the new Forte series hair care collection is now live. I've been telling you about the argan oil for a while, but I was keeping a few surprises, all right? We launched 4 new Forte products, 4 at the same time, all available for pre-order right now while supplies last. And even the packaging, it's all new. Forte has been completely upgraded. I mean, look at them. We have the Forte series hydrating argan oil that you should use daily because it's gonna change your hair completely. This oil makes my hair feel so smooth, so healthy. It gets rid of frizz and of flyaways, and it smells absolutely incredible, all right? It's the best scent in any oil that I've ever tried, and I've tried hundreds. Then we have the new styling products, the molding paste. When we launched the clay, a lot of you guys wanted something that was a little bit more flexible, lighter. The new Forte paste is so smooth, it's easy to scoop out and to apply. And of course, it has great hold. So if you're tired of having mediocre hairstyle, this is for you. Other guys will look at you and ask, dude, what do you have in your hair? Because this stuff is legit. And we put so much work into it to make sure that it's perfect. And then we have the clarifying shampoo and the hydrating conditioner. They both have a peppermint scent. And when you're in the shower, they make it feel like you're in a spa. It's so nice, relaxing. It makes your hair feel and look extremely healthy. This is the base to any good hairstyle. You can't just apply a styling product to have the best hairstyle. You need to start in the shower when you clean and condition your hair with the right product. They have amazing ingredients like shea butter, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, and peppermint oil. And of course, they are sulfate and parabens free. We didn't cut any corners here with these products, guys. They're all high-end products. Now, because of COVID, we only have a limited amount of each of these, and we're doing a bundle sale with a huge giveaway and everything, so they will go fast. Check out the link in the description or go to forteseries.com to pre-order yours right now before they sell out. Finally, guys, I've been waiting for this day months and months, and I'm so happy that these products are finally out and ready for pre-orders. So thank you so much for the incredible support. I'm excited to get these delivered to you and to see your new hairstyles with these products. Check out the link below and get yours now. Tip number 4, avoid dyeing or bleaching your hair because it contains chemicals like ammonia that can really damage your hair and dry your scalp. Having said that, I get highlights done once or twice a year just because I like how it looks, but I keep my hair super healthy because I know that dyeing it will make it more dry, will make it more dull. So I take even better care of my hair because of it. So if you're gonna do it, it's completely fine. I actually recommend you dye your hair at least once just to see what it looks like, to have some fun, but be careful and follow all of these tips to keep your hair healthy. Tip number 5, Be careful with sun damage. You know when you go out during the day and your head can get really hot? Well, that's actually not good for your scalp. If you can, try to stay in the shade as much as possible. You know, especially if you're gonna be out for a while, or at least wear a hat just to protect your hair and your scalp. And this is true especially for you guys that have short or thin hair. The sun can really burn your scalp, causing delays in growth, causing breakage, and of course, no one wants a sunburn right there. That sounds terrible. Tip number 6, trim your hair often. Look, you can take great care of your hair, but at the end of the day, it takes a lot of damage just from your day-to-day routine, right? You're outside, you're applying products, you're applying heat, there's a lot of dirt, etc., etc. So if you're letting it grow, I get it, only trim if you have to. But if you're not letting it grow, remember to get a trim every few weeks at least, because it gets rid of any damaged, broken, or split ends. And those damaged ends look scraggly, you know, they look bad and they're hard to manage. And they even cause more damage the longer you leave them there. Plus, who doesn't want to get a fresh haircut as often as possible anyway? You know, getting a fresh cut is one of the best feelings in the world. Be aware of heat styling tools. And the reason I say that is because high temperature actually weakens the fibers of your hair. The Forte Argan Oil is an amazing heat protectant, so you can just apply that right before you blow dry to create a protective coat between your hair and the heat coming from the blow dryer. Blow drying is actually something that every guy, I think, should get in the habit of doing because it makes your hairstyle 100 times better. I blow dry my hair every day, even when I don't wash it. So I apply oil every day as well, just to make sure that I'm not damaging my hair. Tip number 7, apply hair masks often. I apply hair mask at least once or twice a week, especially now that my hair is getting a little bit longer, you know, because of quarantine. There's a bunch of different masks that you can try. Some of them are free, some of them are very inexpensive. Here's what I recommend. Avocado masks, because they're super natural, very healthy. Same for coconut oil masks, which I do probably once a week now because I tend to have really dry scalp, and it really helps with that. So basically you just apply it to your hair, to your scalp if you want. Leave it on for like 20-30 minutes, even up to an hour. And trust me, after that time or after you wash it off, your hair and your scalp, it's just gonna feel incredible. Guys, I am so excited to finally launch these new Forte products. Thank you so much for the support with my brand. It's been a long time coming. You know, we've worked really hard to get this off the ground, and I'm so thankful for you guys who are here to support me. I really appreciate all of the positive comments and the feedback with the clay, and I can't wait to hear what you think about these new products. The link is below. You can follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa, and you can also find me on TikTok, same thing, Alex Costa. If you like this video, if you learned something new, hit the subscribe button below, become part of the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.